Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about vitamin C deficiency disease. So how it will help? Vitamin C, what is the importance of vitamin C? What are the symptoms? And if vitamin C not present in the body, then what will happen? So let's discuss deep about this. First mainly thing is that vitamin C is very essential component in the body. It is very essential. Essential means it's important. It's important. Almost every vitamins have its own benefits for our body, for our requirement, and we need those vitamins for our daily supplement. So vitamin C is one essential component that should be there in the body and according to the requirement. It especially plays major role in diet because our body cannot make the vitamin C. It is not able to make the vitamin C. So we will get vitamin C from diet only. Through diet we will get vitamin C. What is the uses of vitamin C? Uses is it is important. First, it maintains health and it repairs the body. Repairs the body means especially skin, muscle, bone, soft tissue structures like collagen. All these are the important things. As I discussed, vitamin C is helpful in making collagen. So collagen will make skin, muscle, bone. It will protect and it will also repair. Repairing is the major part collagen will play. So collagen is very important. From where you are getting collagen? Collagen you will be getting from vitamin C. That's a very important thing you need to know. If suppose in case if there is a lack of collagen, if there is not sufficient amount of collagen and there is no lack of collagen, then what will happen? That body will start breaking. Means if suppose if you got injured, then what will happen? The injury will not, if we got injured, then injury will not get repaired very faster. Means wound healing will decrease. Okay, and skin, if we broke the skin, suppose if there is any cuts will be delayed. And then if any muscle problem, muscle pain will increase, joint pains will increase, bone pains will increase. All these bone, joint, all problems will face because of there is lack of collagen in the body. And if there is lack of collagen, automatically what is the deficiency you will find? That is vitamin C deficiency disease. Because if there is vitamin C deficiency, then what are the symptoms? Symptoms you will find. That is easy bruising, bruising means if suppose if there is any if we got hurt somewhere, or if we will get hurt by falling down or injured very badly, then it is called easy bruising. Bruising will fall so easily if there is a lack of vitamin. If you whoever have less vitamin C, then they have more chances of bruising and also have bleeding. Suppose there is any cut, injury is there, then bleeding will happen more so easily. And bleeding and bleeding gums, both. If they have bleeding gums means teeth will have like always will blood will go out from the teeth. All this problem will be facing. And joint pains, muscle pains, dry skin, splitting hair, and nosebleed, poor healing of wounds, as I told you, muscle pain, joint pain, bone pain. All these problems will be facing because of vitamin C deficiency disease. So let's learn. So what are the symptoms of vitamin C deficiency disease? That is easy bruising. Bruising will happen very easily, very quickly, and it will not heal also properly. There will be very poor healing if bruising happens. Then bleeding comes. That is teeth. Teeth will bleed so easily. Then joint pains, muscle pains, bone pains, dryness of skin dryness. If you notice, for few people there will be easily there will be dry skin, will be so dry, it will not be moist. That's because of vitamin C deficit. And also skin problems, especially scurvy. This you have to remember very well. In exams also it comes for the students. And also you have to remember, scurvy is a disease where there will be scurvy means what will happen, the skin will become very dry and skin will become so dry and will cause very scales like skin. The body, on the body there will be scales like very rough, and like that dry will happen and the skin will be coming out. That is called scurvy. It will be more dangerous if we will not treat it properly. That will become more dangerous to the body. So we have to supplement. Then vitamin C plays the major role not to get scurvy. So next is splitting hair. Hair will get splitted. Then nose bleeding, poor healing of wounds. If suppose if you got injury, then there will be very for few people there will be quick healing of wound, and for few people there will be no healing. That is why, because of vitamin C. Maybe there will be some other reasons also, but if whoever have vitamin C deficiency, then they will be facing all this problem. If in case vitamin C deficit will happen excess, means if it becomes too much, then will cause brain issues, will cause brain problem, nerve problem. And if it is not treated properly, then will lead to severe illness and causes death. The death is a very rare condition, but before only we will understand what is the if there is a vitamin C deficiency, then slowly one by one you will notice. First externally you will notice, like outside of the body. Then when you notice only, immediately you need to take care of supplementing with the vitamin C. So what is the diet you have to improve for the vitamin C? What is the diet you will improve? Vitamin C mostly is available, you will see mostly in sour things, like what? Lemon. Citrus fruits means Mosambi, orange, lemon, orange, Mosambi, and kind of citrus fruits. And also so much of vitamin C available in mangoes also, and etc. Almost every fruit have little amount of vitamin C, but more you will see in the citrus fruits. Like kiwi also is one of the thing you will be getting the vitamin C. These are the in fruits, and means more amount will be available in kiwi. More you will be getting in kiwi. And then in fruits, in vegetables, in fruits this is the thing. In vegetables you will be seeing like spinach, broccoli. Almost all greeny vegetables have little amount of vitamin C, but more amount present in the spinach, broccoli and all, etc. And also like strawberries in fruits. Strawberry, spinach, broccoli, in any vegetables, leafy vegetables have vitamin C and all. Some amount of milk, dairy products, these all will be getting little lesser amounts, but also you will be getting some amount of vitamin C. So for avoiding like vitamin C deficiency disease, this is the diet you need to follow. And the symptoms also I told you what and all symptoms you need to consider. This all, if you notice externally, immediately you have to supplement with vitamin C, which is very important and plays a major role, and it is very essential in the human body. And then how much dosage is required is, this is the age 1 to 10 years of age, 11 to 14 years and 15 and more, this is considered as adults. 15 and more is considered like teenage adults. For this is common. So 1 to 10 years of age is required is, how much vitamin C dosage is required is 30 milligram per day. 30 milligram per day. And 11 to 14 require 35 milligram per day. 15 years and more like teenage adults and all more, it's required 40 milligram per day. Okay, this is the standard dosage of vitamin C required sufficiently daily. It's an, so this is the basic standard requirement of vitamin C daily dosage. That is 1 to 10 years of age required 30 milligram, 11 to 14 is 35, 15 and more and adults is required 40 milligram per day. This will play a major role. If it exceeds also it's not good, if it is less also not good. Try to maintain the same. So excess of supplement also is good for the body. So excess, if it goes, there will be imbalance in the electrolytes which causes some other kind of symptoms and issues. So like constipations, bleeding or some other kind of issues will be there if there is an increase. So this is the basic common requirement that is needed for the body. Importance of vitamin C deficiency and its benefits, symptoms and what happens, and the diet, and all this I have told you. So please take care of yourself. And so vitamin C you have to use every day. Vitamin C you need to use every day. Okay. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and also if you have any queries and if you have any doubts regarding the vitamin C or regarding some other videos which I have uploaded, any other kind of issues also, please mention in the comment section below and ask a question so that I will getting back to you with an answer in the next video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys.